Hi everyone, here is my recommendations of more than 20 books which I've read all year long. So there are more than 20 books for you to check out from different subjects like adventural, motivational, mythological and lots more. So some tell about real people like Shika and Yukan and Rise Up, which are in 1 and 2. And rebel stories also, which will come a little later. So there are many types like fun stories, bedtime stories, Ramayana, so much more. And you got to, if you like any of them, you can check out them and read them. So I like all of them. So all of them are my favorite. So if you are looking for more interesting books, check out my channel. Bye! I'll be back with more types of books like activity books and science experiment books and lots more. The books are the best. So happy Books Day! And I love books and books make me very happy. And also books make me very happy and it makes books also happy. Bye!